Hey Nate, how'd you shoot?
Welcome back to the 2018 Dog Valley Precision Challenge presented by Vudoo Gun Works. We're here for day 2 of the competition. Today, the weather is a bit cooler, but winds are now starting to pick up. Matt Medeiros currently sits at the top with 99 points. Will he be able to maintain his lead and put on another solid performance? It's a fight to the finish and every point matters. You're watching day 2 of the 2018 Dog Valley Precision Challenge presented by Vudoo Gun Works. Stage 20, Steel to the Core. With a round count of 10, shooter will move to position 1 and engage targets 1 and 2 with 2 rounds each. Move to position 2 and engage targets 3, 2, and 1 with 2 rounds each.
Steve Eames here at Dog Valley in Utah shooting Cole Quarnberg's match. I'm getting ready to shoot stage 10. I'm going to use the Warhorse Sarcine bag with a tripod to rear support. Going to shoot 3 targets, 700 down to about 560, so we'll see what we can do with it.
All right, spotter, you ready? Yep. Shooter ready?
Yes, sir.
Go.
It really is that much wind. So game plan was dialed 0.5 left in and held left edge of everything. Give up left edge a little bit on the further target, come off of it. Other than that, the stage went pretty well as planned.
Austin Overman. I'm from Lehi, Utah, and the game plan here is if the winds stay how we're at now, I'm going to probably be a tenth or two off the butt of the bear when I start, going from the the left sides of the steel. The wind's been kind of switchy, but I'm going to use my Really Right Stuff tripod in the rear, get stable with a bag up front, and then hope the winds stay constant while I'm on the clock.
Do you understand course fire?
Yes, sir.
Spotter ready? Ready. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Begin. Time. 10 seconds. Impact.
Yeah, exactly what I said. Awesome. Well, it's good when all the plans come together. Figured I was going to be like 1.2 near the ass. That was exactly where it was. I decided to do holdovers in my Tremor 3, and really couldn't have asked for better. The tripods, the rear support, that was really solid. The wind's been pretty twitchy, but luckily it held pretty true while I was shooting. So went good, cleaned it.
Stage 19, Wish I Was a 3-gunner. With a round count of 10 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter will run to the tree and engage target 1 for 3 rounds. Move to position 2 and engage target 2 with 3 rounds. Then move to position 3 and engage target 3 with 4 rounds.
I'm Bill. This is stage 19. I'm gonna run my Reeser bag. That's it, no tripod for me. Hey, stage 19 worked out pretty good today. Ran a reeser bag and fortunate enough not to drop the shot.
My name is Derryk Hovey. I'm from North Colorado. I'm going to shoot with just a reeser bag. We got 3 plates up on the hillside. I guess I'm going to go without the tripod and see how it rolls. Yeah, so I started off connecting on the 3rd position. I started noticing that I was missing right, and the wind definitely picked up on me, kind of got me there. Went from 0.4 to 0.6.
Here with first place winner, Austin. Austin, congratulations.
Thank you. It really doesn't matter if you got the best guys in the world here or the worst. I want to shoot the best that I can every day.
Right here with second place winner, Nick Darcy.
This is a humbling game. You got to stay humble in this game because you could have a couple new shooters show up and just wipe the floor.
Right now, you are head-to-head with Austin Orgain.
That's right.
Going into the championship.
This match is just a learning experience for me.
If you're not familiar with Brian Pitts and long-range shooting already, you guys need to do your homework.
Just learn as much as you can. Don't get frustrated.
Our very first winner ever for the National Rifle League. Is it okay?
Stage 18, Wind Ninja. With a round count of 10 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter must hit target 1 3 times before moving on to target 2 for 2 rounds. Shooter will then move to position 2 and engage target 2 again for 2 more rounds, then engage target 3 with the remaining 3 rounds.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. The plan is just to go up. I'm going to probably start off with about a mill hold left and see what happens. My plan was to hold 1 mil going into it. I forgot to dial my dope from the last stage, so once I got that figured out, my 1 mil of wind ended up needing no wind at all, so I had to hold straight up the rest of the time, and the squad before me, they were all holding about 1 mil to 1.5 mil, so just never know in this kind of wind.
Tim Milkovich, Goodyear, Arizona. Shooting a long-range stage, and hopefully we can get the wind right and get some hits on this one.
Go!
well. Wind kind of picked up just a little bit. I got 6 out of 10. Started out with just a little bit left of center. It went right off the right edge, so I increased the lead to about a half a mil and started hitting targets.
To wrap up our top 3, Jake Pibbert, JC Steel targets. Jake, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Absolutely, sir. So how was the match for you?
Really fun match. It's a field style match, so you really have to know, you're not on a square range.
Right.
You're out in the middle of some sagebrush. It's dusty. You got to take care of your equipment and try to be as productive as possible, for both days.
Yes, sir. Now, you had a great match. You were actually in the squad behind me, or in front of me, depending on what day it was, and I had the opportunity to see you shoot a couple of stages.
Yeah.
What was your favorite stage?
There's a lot of really good fun stages. I like stages where you can be creative and you can do things that are kind of out of the box and that, stuff that we don't really get to practice normally. So some of the stages are shooting over the top of stumps and rocks and a lot of different targets. Anything in that 600 to 800 yard range is a ton of fun for me.
Dude, that stump stage killed me.
Yeah, it was a fun one.
That was very difficult for me. I'm glad we didn't get it on video, but I didn't do so well.
It was challenging for me as well. So day one, I shot the stump stage, and I think I got 8 out of 10. So I left a couple to be desired there, and then today it really whooped my butt. I got a 6 out of 10. Other than that, I shot pretty solid all weekend. Both these guys, Matt Medeiros and Steve Eames, man, they were just on fire today. And this whole weekend. So props to those guys. They definitely earned it and deserve all the accolades that they get.
Perfect. Well, we really appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you at a couple more matches this year.
Yep.
You've got a very busy schedule.
Yep.
So it's been an honor, and we look forward to seeing you soon, brother.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Hey guys, we are here with Steve Eames. Steve finished second at this match. Steve, congratulations.
Thanks, buddy.
So you are coming off a great season so far. You got your first national win at JC Steel. You got your first second place, if I'm not mistaken, here at Dog Valley.
Yeah.
You are just on fire. What's going on, brother?
Equipment's running great gunsmith. JC Steel instructional videos really helping me out.
How much did he pay for you to plug him like that?
He didn't pay me, no. I paid him to buy the videos, actually. No, just all my gear's running great. All the people standing behind me, helping me out, supporting me. It's awesome.
Perfect. Now, you're one of the few people out here that's actually competing with your wife as well.
Yeah.
So she's your competitor, but she's your better half or other half, better half for sure.
For sure.
How does that work out for you?
It's absolutely awesome. I mean, I'm working a lot, so spend a lot of time, doing everything I can. She's home making the ammo, booking the matches, booking the hotels. And I come home and she's like, "We have 1,000 rounds loaded. We're going here." So
golden.
It's absolutely great. I mean, greatest girl on earth. So
that's phenomenal. That's phenomenal. So what's next? Where are you headed?
Next match is next weekend, Q Creek, and then we have a week break. We might stuff a bear hunt in. Then the week after that, we're at Quiet Riot, and then Mile High for the NRL match. So
you got a completely full schedule.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Shooting as much as we can.
That's phenomenal. Well, keep up the great work. It was a pleasure having you out here this weekend, and I look forward to seeing you in Colorado, sir.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything NRL's done and giving us the opportunity to have this, and it's a great organization. So glad to be a part of it.
Thank you. We're honored to have you here.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, guys, we are here at 2018 Dog Valley Precision Rifle Challenge, and I'm here with first place winner Matt Medeiros. Matt, congratulations, brother.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It was a tough match.
It was a very tough match.
Day one was really windy. Day two was really switchy winds. I got luckier than everybody else.
If I remember correctly, you had something like 99 plus points yesterday.
I had 99 points yesterday.
99 points yesterday. How many points you got today?
94.
That's phenomenal.
Yeah, I mean, it was good shooting. The gun shot well, the scope didn't go down, trigger didn't go down, equipment ran flawlessly, went where it was supposed to go. Favorite stage? That's a tough call. They were all fun. They all had something different to them. Favorite stage? The sitting, the decline sitting today, that was pretty fun because that was something that you can't practice for.
You can't practice for that.
So it was something new that I've never seen before.
Awesome. So what advice would you give to any of the new shooters out there for this type of match, this field style match?
Show up, shoot, be a sponge, ask questions. Any of the guys who were shooters, who are seasoned shooters, are going to help them out.
Absolutely.
Yeah, don't be afraid.
Perfect. Well, we appreciate it. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations. You took home, what, Vudoo?
Yeah, I got a Vudoo. I've been looking at these things for quite a while, and I was really excited to see it up there. And yeah, I'm excited to get it home and play with it.
Thank you guys very much, Vudoo.
Yeah, thank you very much, Vudoo. Cole, for letting us in. Cole, for providing the Vudoo.
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you.
Awesome. Congratulations, brother.
This concludes the 2018 Dog Valley Precision Challenge presented by Vudoo Gun Works. After a weekend of warm weather, switchy winds, and a challenging course of fire, the match concluded with an outstanding prize table provided by sponsors. Congratulations to the top 3 shooters, Matt Medeiros, Steve Eames, and Jake Vibert on the impressive finish. The NRL would like to thank the match director, the ROs, sponsors, competitors, and everyone else who helped make this match possible. As always, stay safe, keep shooting, and we'll see you all next time.